Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. This is lesson number 10 and the topic is atomic mass, atomic number of an element. This is the picture in which atomic number, atomic mass, element symbol is labeled. This O is the symbol of oxygen element. 8 is the atomic number which is represented by Z, and 15.999 is the atomic mass which is measured in AMU, atomic mass unit. That one is H, hydrogen. It is cut. Okay, leave it. A property closely related to an atom's mass number is its atomic mass. Atom's mass number. Mass number is atomic mass or mass number is number of proton plus number of neutron. The sum of proton and neutron is the atomic mass or mass number, and it is represented by A. The atomic mass of a single atom is simply its total mass, and it is expressed in atomic mass unit or AMU. By definition, an atom of carbon with 6 neutrons, carbon 12, has an atomic mass of 12 atomic AMU. Carbon has 12 atomic mass, so it is represented as 12 AMU, atomic mass unit. In this lesson, we are discussing atomic number and atomic mass. I explained. Atomic number left. Atomic number is the number of protons in an element, in an atom of an element. Atomic number is the number of protons, and atomic mass or mass number is sum of protons and neutrons in an atom. Atomic number represented by Z, and atomic mass or mass number is represented by A, capital A and capital Z. Determine the number of protons, neutrons and electrons in an atom. Yes, number of protons always equals to number of neutrons. Number of protons always equals to number of electrons. Carbon 12. Carbon 12 has, or this one, this 8 is the atomic number, which is 8 proton and 8 electron, because protons, number of protons always equals to number of electrons. So 8 is proton, there are 8 protons and 8 electrons in oxygen atom. Mass number is proton plus neutron, so 15.999, almost 16. 16 is the sum of protons and neutrons. So when we subtract 16 minus 8, then we get number of neutrons, that is also 8. Carbon 12. Carbon 12. 12 is the atomic mass, mass number, and it is written 6 neutrons. So how many protons? 6, because 6 plus 6 is atomic mass of carbon, right? And how many electrons? Carbon has atomic number 6, so it means 6 electrons, 6 protons and 6 neutrons. In carbon, 12. Identify the charge and relative mass of subatomic particles. Yes, electron has negative charge, proton has positive charge, and neutron has no charge. Label the location of subatomic particles in the atom. Electrons revolve around the nucleus, and in nucleus protons and neutrons are placed. In any element, in any atom of any element. Again I am repeating, subatomic particles, electrons revolve around the nucleus, and proton and neutron plays in nucleus, except hydrogen, because hydrogen has only one proton, no neutron. All the elements, all the atoms have protons and neutrons in the nucleus, which tells the atomic mass of an atom. Determine the mass of an atom based on its subatomic particle. Yes, if proton 2 and neutron 2, how much atomic mass of that element? Yes, 4. And how many electrons? Number of protons and number of electrons always equal. If 2 protons means 2 electrons, and 2 atomic number represent 2 electrons, or 2 protons represent its atomic number. So 2 atomic number, the element is helium, right? Atomic number. The atomic number represented by the letter Z of an element is the number of protons in the nucleus of each atom of that element. All atoms are same of an element. This was the old concept, but it existed. An atom can be classified as a particular element based solely on its atomic number. Atom is identified by its atomic number. If we say atomic number 1, then yes, which element? Yes, hydrogen. For example, in any atom with an atomic number 8 is oxygen. Its nucleus contains 8 protons, is an oxygen atom. And any atom with a different number of protons would be a different element. If proton is different, then element is different. Suppose 3 protons means 3 electrons. So 3 proton means this is lithium, having atomic number 3. Okay. The periodic table, leave that figure. The periodic table displays all of the known element and is arranged in order of increasing atomic number. Periodic table is placed in increasing order of atomic number. First 1, that is hydrogen, 2 helium, 3 lithium, 4 beryllium, 5 boron, 6 carbon, 7 nitrogen, 8 oxygen, 9 fluorine, 10 neon, right? This is another example. Isotope. Isotope is that isotope of an element having same atomic number but different atomic mass. Same atomic number but different atomic mass of an element. Like lithium, both are lithium, having same atomic number 3. This is atomic number, but atomic mass is 6 in one case and in another case 7. So 6 minus 3 means 3 protons, 3 electrons and 4 neutrons. 3 neutrons, right. In left side lithium, 3 electron, 3 proton, 3 neutron, because 3 plus 3 in nucleus is answer is 6, that is atomic mass of lithium. But right side lithium has atomic number 3. 3 means 3 protons as well as 3 electrons, right. And 7 is the atomic mass. Atomic mass is the sum of protons and neutrons. So you can subtract 7 minus 3, that is 4. So in the nucleus 4 neutrons and 3 protons are placed. Okay, Allah Hafiz.